I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but everything gon' hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it vibe.
Make sure man's hot. Make our heart.
That's enough.
Yeah. Put some onion in the pot. It's dripping like an onion and it's hot. So then I feel like hot sauce. In the kitchen I be cooking like a boss. And it came at a cost. Flexing like I know I'm Rick Ross. That's the reason that I'm on top. T.O.P. I might take off my top. She blew the top, cause the breath didn't take back. Then I hit her with a jack. Go for show. Tell her that I'm really true. Then you.
I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, but this time I live on. Don't take my energy from your mandula. In my house, don't say I'll be my healer. Everything I desire, I go receive my ribbon. Flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para. I'm a mind digger. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
It's difficult, like when you don't know how to do things.
Yes, so now I do that.
My body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
Trying to